Hi everyone and Professor. We are Group E, nice my group member Richard and I will briefly introduce our journal entry about Nike. Nike is consistently working to improve their employees, establish clear goals, and offer consistent feedback all over the year. They always try to engage their employees to focus of management team. Nike will establish a complete company compensation and benefits which can attract talents, retain talents, and encourage management. The company rewards employees with the opportunity to meet athletes they admire and use such opportunity to inspire their creativity and inspiration. As for performance management, Nike is focusing on the improvement of employees and the alignment of company goals with team and personal goals. Managers create a work environment that enables both employees and companies to bloom. Based on the definition of performance management, a system of Nike is built within an organization to measure and improve the performance of the people in that organization. And Nike is consistently working to improve their employees, establish clear goals, and offer consistent feedback all over the year. For the Human Resources Department, Performance Management Nike has a major system for onboarding, developing, and retaining employees, as well as reach their performance. Moreover, there are many out there Nike takes a very schematic approach to performance management. They take performance management is about measures and targets. It's an easy closed loop and feedback model. They believe that primary collections of measures and targets on scorecards are enough. Nike always try to engage their employees to focus on management team in a yearly assessment system. Goals would be given that at the beginning of the year and then reviewed 12 months later to check if they had been met.
Okay, this is Richard. I will introduce about employment benefits and services of Nike. In terms of benefits, Nike mission statement is taking care of their team. From health to financial condition, the company continuously invests in employees to help them achieve excellence within and outside of work. Nike goal is to support teammates to reach their full potential. Nike benefits divided into 4 parts. The first one is office perks, and the second one is health and wellness, and the third one is paid time off, and the last one is financial benefits. Nike is a company that always makes sure that their employees are comfortable with the company. The performance of each employee is greater because of the friendly atmosphere in the company. They produce their maximum output for the company. Nike makes employee feel supportive and concerned. The design of the employee comprehensive system of an enterprise must be implemented to realize its contagious and a normal operation and expert is still functions. Nike still tries to engage its workforce to concentrate on the management team. Objectives will be set at the beginning of the year in an annual assignment system, and then received 12 months later to check whether they have been met. That's all. Thank you.